Going on, guys? Shawnee Bitcoin's back with another cryptocurrency and blockchain update. I have some exciting altcoin to share with you guys, but today I'm actually just looking to reiterate one of the altcoins that I mentioned to you guys previously that is starting to cover some major ground, starting to skyrocket. And I do want to make sure you guys hit that like button, get over 100 likes on this video. This is the update from my previous call, which was Alethea AI. As you guys know, I made a video 3 weeks ago, should be right here above. Alethea and Mark Cuban, that I'm buying this coin. And it was about, I think it was 1.5 cents basically. Now it's sitting at, let's see, and make sure you guys smash that like on this video. I want to see the same numbers at least as what we got on the last video, which was 60 likes. Let's see at least 60 likes, and I'll reveal to you guys another special altcoin that I'm looking into. So right now I want to show you guys, right now I want to show you guys, this is the coin I mentioned earlier today, Engine Starter. Still got some work to do, but this is the coin that is starting to do work. And this is Alethea AI. I told you guys Mark Cuban was a backer of this coin. And he actually has talked about this coin. This is artificial intelligence built into NFTs and also Chatgpt integration to make their character GPT. So yeah, as you guys know, I also made a YouTube video of me making a character on Alethea's platform. So I'm just reiterating to you guys today that, hey, we bought around here. Wait, we bought around right here. No, 1.7. It was about 1.7. So right around here. Perfect buy. And then boom, we enjoy this pump. Now we're not sure what Bitcoin's going to do in the next couple of days, but I'm just bringing you guys some undervalued altcoins. Now the market cap is around 160 million. But when I mentioned it, I think it was 40 million. So that just goes to show you guys what can happen if you get in early. And, you know, this could be a long-term pump because these AI tokens are starting to absolutely explode. And we haven't even got started yet. So make sure you guys hit that like button. This is just an updated video reviewing my call from before, showing you guys where I'm at, still holding strong. And I will definitely keep you guys updated. Let me show you just maybe some news from Alethea. Remember, they have integrated with Polygon. Boom. Building the intersection of generative AI and blockchain. So they have built, the character of the Polygon founder, Sandy. They're doing contests for creating their character GPT. So they're driving a lot of attention to this platform. They're doing some great marketing, constant marketing, sharing the community's different creations, which is great. People are engaging and extremely excited about ChatGPT, obviously. And yeah, so I highly encourage you guys to look into this project and let me know what you guys think. Hope everybody has a blessed day. Make sure you guys smash that like. Let's get at least over 60 likes on this video. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of Alethea and any other undervalued altcoin gems that I should be looking into. Please let me know. Everybody have a blessed day. I'm out. Also, join my Telegram chat in the link in the description, or you can join my Patreon, the paid Patreon, also in the group in the description. The Telegram chat is completely free. Patreon chat. The Patreon group is a paid group. Hope everybody has a blessed day, and see you in the next one.